Yo, what's up guys? Welcome to my channel. This is my first video, so don't judge me. Okay, here we go. We have here N75 VGN gasket keyboard, and I bought it from a local keyboard store for 50 bucks. So let's open the box and let's see what's inside. So here I'm opening it. Actually, it should be like this, and oh my god, here we go. We have the keyboard and this thing, and it sounds so creamy. And let's take the keyboard here and let's look at the back. It says VGN N75 custom mechanical keyboard, and it's made in China, of course. So, and we have here cable, 1.8 meter cable. So this is a wired mechanical custom keyboard, and we have this puller to like pull out keycaps or things like that, and we have 3 extra switches. I'm gonna show to you by clicking on them. Let's see how that sounds as well. Oh my god, so difficult to... Okay, here we go. Let's just press. Okay, as you can see, this keyboard is hot-swappable. That means you can change the switch if you don't like them. So let's just put it inside, and we are gonna do some lightning tests and typing tests as well on my computer. And we have this like guide book, I guess that's how you want to call it, like manual. Actually, that's the right word to describe it. And actually I don't understand Chinese, so let's just put it back on the box. And yeah, now I'll turn on my computer and we are gonna test some things with this budget friendly keyboard, and let's do it. So guys, I connected the cable and let's run it. Okay, here we go. Okay, should be connected, right? Oh yes, nice. So okay, so we have this keyboard connected. So first I'm gonna change the lightning. So to change the lightning, you should press Fn plus delete, or yeah, Fn plus delete to change the lightning. To turn off the lightning, you should press Fn plus spacebar. So there's another function you can do, like to increase the brightness. You press Fn plus this up arrow. To drop it, you need to press Fn plus down arrow, as you can see. And you can change the color by Fn plus like this right arrow. Yeah, you can see that's a lot of like really good like colors. And let's change lightning, like this animation, that's really cool. And let's change the color as well. Yeah, I like this animation as well. So overall, Lighting is really good, like RGB transitions. And sound is also really good, so, and I like this transition as well. It's like a love, I don't know, like drawing heart in the middle. Yeah, so, and you can also like increase the speed by pressing FN plus or slow it down. Okay, yeah, and we can type on this keyboard, like test like how fast I type on this keyboard, and like you will see for yourself as well whether this keyboard worth $50 or not. So let's jump right into monkeytype.com. Okay, now we are on monkeytype.com and I'm gonna type. Let's see how fast I type with this keyboard. Okay. Okay, 72 WPM. Not that. It's like a warm up. Okay, 80 WPM. We are improving. No, we jinxed it. Okay. Nah, we definitely jinxed it. 49. And it's also good for gaming. Unfortunately, I don't have games on my PC right now, so I cannot show you that. Yeah, so nice. And we can test the laptop's keyboard as well. Let's see which one I type faster, like with which keyboard. I write for last fact of ask live. So 47. So let's try with actual keyboard. Yeah, 82 BPM. That's so good. And yeah, now we can go to like, and yeah, so there are a lot of like benefits buying this keyboard. The nicest thing about this like keyboard is the PBT keycaps. PBT keycap, that means your fingers will not sleep while writing or playing a video game. And another benefit of buying this keyboard is, you know, like silky sounds. Like sound is so nice. Like look at this. And also backlighting is so like good, man. Oh, and one thing I forgot to mention is this baby right here, metal knob. Like most of the, you know, like budget keyboards don't have metal knob, but this one like metal and sounds so good, and it helps to like turn on the volume or turn it down, and even helps to mute it. And I mentioned it is hot-swappable and wired reliability as well. As you have wired version, like, you know, you get a consistent 1000 Hz polling rate. This is a major benefit for gamers because there is zero input, you know, like zero input lag compared to cheap Bluetooth boards. So that's another benefit of buying this keyboard. But the drawbacks is like, you know, the cable is detachable on some base versions, like, so that's another drawback. And sometimes this keyboard comes with software that you can, you know, download it from their official site that might have a bug on it. So, and other than that, this keyboard I feel like worth the price, definitely. And yeah, if you are looking for a budget-friendly keyboard like this, I will definitely recommend buying this keyboard. So, and that's gonna be it for today's video. If you enjoyed the video, please make sure to like and subscribe and comment down below your thoughts about this amazing budget-friendly keyboard, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.